Hi, welcome to Kyong's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. I am so happy to be here with you cooking healthy puto. Some people think, what's puto? That's called a Filipino rice cake. What they do using a white rice flour and put some coconut milk and water, sugar, and put it in then baking soda or baking powder. Then they mix it together, keep it in the refrigerator for overnight to ferment it. Then next day, they steam them. They usually need to have, it's like a mini cupcake liner, something like that, but they have a puto mold. Then they put it on, they just steam it. Then I'm from Korea, so Korean custom or Filipino custom kind of similar. Long time ago, we didn't even have an oven to bake anything. So if they want to make cake, they usually using the steam method. So if you can steam something, I would think why not baking it. So I'm gonna show you how to bake healthy puto. I'm using the brown rice flour in place of the white rice flour. Okay, let's go and start. You will need 1 3/4 cup brown rice flour. And this is a cake, rice cake, so you need to have some sweetener. So I'm adding healthy sugar called the turbinado sugar. You will need a 1/4 cup turbinado sugar. You can get it from any grocery store called sugar in the raw. That's the name brand. Then you will need about 1 teaspoon stevia extract, which is equal to 1/4 cup sugar. So this is going to be low sugar recipe. And you need a 1 tablespoon aluminum free baking powder. I will just put this in. Okay, next one, you will need a 1/4 teaspoon sea salt. And let's go ahead and mix really good. Always mix dry ingredients first. And you need to turn the oven at 350 degrees. Alright. When you buy coconut milk, make sure that shake it. So you'll be able to shake. The reason I'm saying one time I bought coconut milk from grocery store and so much cream inside, I couldn't even shake it. So when I open it to make the puto, what am I gonna do? There is enough milk. So I'll open this one. When that happens, just mix it with the water to make 2 cups. So when you open it, this one about makes 2 cups. So I'm gonna go and mix it. This will be a thick batter. So I'm gonna go ahead and use spoon. Take all the milk out. Okay. Brown rice flour is the whole grain, therefore very high in fiber and very safe for diabetes to eat. It will go to your bloodstream really slow, so it will turn into energy. Because it's high in fiber, it will prevent from getting a constipation. And you don't have to eat so much that you feel like a fool, so it helps you lose weight. Yes, it is. Alright. And also you will help you lower your cholesterol. Alright. From here, I will show you what to do step by step. And you will need a mini muffin tin. From here, I'll put some mini muffin liner. So I'm going to just show you how to make 8 of them first. Okay? Then I'll finish up. From here, if you don't spray, it's going to be stick to the bottom. So I'm going to spread lightly. That way, after you bake it, it just comes out nice and clean. And when you're just a tablespoonful, I'll just go ahead and put all the way to the top. This is really, really delicious. This is gluten-free, so if you are on gluten-free diet, you can eat this one. My husband loves it, so I like to eat this one for breakfast or dessert. This reminds of some Korean brown rice cake. How about that? You can just fill it up all the way to the top. You will make about 24 mini Puto. And how simple it is? Very simple to make. You don't need a lot of ingredients. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish up, put it in the oven, and 350 degrees for, I think it's 15 minutes. Let me go ahead and make sure. Oh no. Bake for 20 minutes. And the top will be really nice and brown. It's ready to eat. So if you need a recipe, just watch it until the end of the program, and the recipe will roll in. Or click the description, and we have written recipe for you. So don't go away, and see you soon. Hi, welcome back. I just baked the Puto in oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And this is how it look. Doesn't it look good? Let's see if we can peel this one up. So thank you for watching. See you until next program. May God richly bless you.